Ladies, I have found the key to having it all: the love, the relationships, the children, the lifestyle, everything that you desire. When a woman is in her pleasure, she's in her highest power. I teach women how to use pleasure to create all that they desire. When a woman is in her pleasure, she radiates like 1,000 illuminated candles. She's beauty. She's outrageous. She's elevated. So, ladies, what are you waiting for? Join me on my simple 14-day pleasure rehab and get yourself back into the joy and the beauty that you so desire. It's your birthright. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you on the path to pleasure.